What's that little mountain called? Pilot Mountain.
Or Mount Pilot.
There it is, coming around the bend.
If you're Andy Griffith.
Where are we going, April? This may or not be out there, so we might be deleting this video later, or it could be on a video on YouTube. I don't know yet.
People might want to hear it anyway.
What, even if we don't get it? Okay. What are we doing?
I'm going to look at SS. A 15 perfect blue.
At least it's not the 14 poverty edition.
Automatic.
But why?
Because I might want to race a little bit.
Not a ton, but go up to the, drag strip and do a little bit of hits.
Yeah.
All right. Well, there's a good pallet. Let's see. Let's see if we can get Pilot Mountain in here real quick. Yeah, that's a good one there. Hot dang. Gas station lighting always hits a little different. Man, that is a beautiful car. So now we're at a Shoney's, which is pretty rare around our parts. This is in Virginia. And like I said, I didn't film very much in there. So April, what did you just do?
I just bought an SS. I can't believe I bought an SS.
Why is it so, why is it?
I'm just excited.
Gotcha. I guess you're kind of, I'm glad you're excited. So tell us a little bit about the SS.
Basically, it's a 2-owner vehicle, except the first owner was the original owner. He passed away about 7-8 months ago.
Oh.
His daughter ended up trading in the car, so kind of sucks, but
He bought it at this dealership. Bob Huff serviced at the dealership the entire time. He never modified it. He just kept it exactly as it was. It has how many miles? 38,000 miles, all it has. And it's perfect blue. It's an automatic, which is what we decided on. And this one is bone stock.
so crazy.
So, but it's very nice. The interior is perfect. The outside,
Small.
very small details. We found out it had one small accident, which was, we found out it was him backing into the carport when he was backing it out. Poor guy. And overall, I'd give it a shape. What do you think, April? 8.5 out of 10?
Yeah. Needs some correction.
Correction.
But not as much as the one we were looking at previously.
No, we'll probably touch up the bottom of the front bumper. Maybe the whole front bumper. We'll see what we're feeling like.
I even got it for a whole lot less than
Yeah, we got it
the
for...
other one that I was bidding on.
So we're going to probably touch up the front bumper. The wheels look pretty good. They have a little bit of a, like the pit chrome coming through. So we just need to sand it and clear it. I'll have Lance do that too. I know Lance can see this video come out, be like, man, they was working me to death already. I hadn't even seen the car. And
kids to put through college.
And other than that, there's really nothing else wrong.
No.
I mean, it's in really good shape. It runs great. It's bone stock. I've already pulled the tune from it.
I was very bummed out by the accident just because going into it, it said that the car, on the car guru, it said that the Carfax, was perfect,
Yeah.
no accident.
They worked with us enough to where I
yeah.
feel like we did okay.
I feel very good.
I think they did okay. They still made money, I'm sure. And we did all right. We're not uncomfortable with it, but overall the car is in really, really good shape.
And if someone knows the original owner,
Yeah, if anybody knows this car, please. Whiteville, Virginia. One owner. Bought here in Whiteville. And I know everybody's seen 1,000 SSs, but open the door.
And his daughter.
Yep, and I seen one chip in the whole car. I mean, one dent in the whole car. Yeah, the seats are literally brand new.
Oakley.
Yeah, they look really good.
Be able to ride in this
I don't know if anybody's even really been in the back of this car, to be honest with you.
The mats are perfect.
Yeah, I know it's dark, guys. I'll get some more video tomorrow before I post this, so we have a good. And the headliner looks. Yep, it's good. I think. It's fine. And they did a pretty good job when they touched up the back. We saw the spot where they hit was back here. We're gonna fix this one little spot bumper. Got the old which I've seen on other cars that didn't even have accidents. And I know the lighting's horrible here.
I did a burnout in the parking lot.
But it looks like they just painted this one area right here and blended it to there. So it was a very minor thing. But yeah, I mean, I'm super happy with it, April. And the more I look at it, I don't even know if we should worry about the wheels for now. I think just have Lance do what he wants to do with them and call them a day.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, because you know how it is. If you make it too nice, you won't want to do it.
This is the lowest mileage vehicle we've had in our fleet other than the IROCs.
This is at 38,000 miles. We've not had anything with this low of a mileage.
The IROC had 20. The burgundy one, the 89.
No, it's 40 something.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
No, this one is super low mileage. It's got 38,000 miles on it. So I think if she ever wants to get rid of this one, I'll just buy this one. I mean,
Sell your G8.
yeah, no, I can't sell the G8. We'll just keep adding. We'll just keep adding at this point. But the V I like, but I just don't love it. Like, I mean, we're just holding. I mean, I'm a holding guy ever since, you know, we went on our first date in my G8.
Sedan kind of girl.
Well, ever since we went out on our first date in my G8, I think I've kind of turned her into a Holden lover as well. So April, we haven't done an update on your CTS-V lately.
New CTS-V hoodies.
So what'd you do?
Sold it. And bought in 2015 SS. About 39,000 miles, all stock. One owner. On paper, it's two owners because the owner passed away. Daughter got the car and then traded it in Whiteville, Virginia.
Yeah, I think so. Right.
Or Whitville, I think is what they call it.
Western side of Virginia, not West Virginia, but the western part of Virginia. And it was bone stock. I think you got it like what, December 23rd.
Mm-hmm.
So I had a little bit, and you already done a few things to it. Today we're going to clean the engine compartment. You really can't tell them. Yeah, you can tell. It's pretty nasty. Got her this for Valentine's Day. We did tinted the windows. We'll get some pictures outside. We just pulled it back in. I was like, well, let's. Yep, got wheels on here.
Got the stock the stock wheels on it.
Yep.
Got me some add-ons.
And we already have an E85 kit we have to put on it. And we're probably going to do a VCM. And then that'll be it for right now. Then, you know, of course, headers and things down the road. But you liking it so far?
Yeah.
Good. Just went in and cleaned most of the engine compartment. We didn't get it. Well, actually, I say we did a pretty good job with it, actually. It was really dirty and just dusty from having 40,000 miles on it. You know, no one really cleaning it. So,
Cover.
yeah, it had the cover on it, of course. So now we got like this is how it's going to be. So, throw in the clips there. Probably go get a little brief ride. We do have the tune on it. We tuned it as well. Put the wheels, and we also forgot, April, you got the front end painted.
Oh, yeah.
Just the bumper.
Oh, and the little chrome
Yeah.
things.
And the side view
Color
mirror.
matched.
Yeah, color matched.
Vents.
Yep. So that looks great. You know, it's not very clean, but we'll get there. And these are the Adhon 19 by 8.5, 19 by 9.5 with the stock size tires. So one thing that I think would be interesting, April, is what are the pros and cons of a CTS-V that you just sold going to this?
Pros is bigger.
Which is bigger?
The SS.
Okay, the SS is bigger.
Yeah, the SS is bigger. CTS-V is a mid sedan, which I didn't realize when I went from my G8 to the CTS-V. It's much smaller inside, not as much room. I would say as far as the ride, the SS is extremely close to how the Cadillac rides. Cadillac rode just really good. Another thing that I would say is the SS, the technology is a little more upgraded as far as like the radio, you know, Bluetooth, but you know, CTS-V was an 09, so that's, you know, to be expected. It was kind of dated. And then no supercharger.
Yeah, so power-wise, CTS-V gets, you know, sort of a nod, but the trunk on these are huge.
Like
Glove boxes are big,
yeah.
and so those things, you know, when we do go to shows and you know, do Haggerty stuff and bring the kids, kind of does make a difference. So ride-wise, you'd say they're pretty even?
They're really close, but the Cadillac does ride
Gets the edge a little bit.
Mhm.
Okay.
This actually factory has more of a rumble sports car kind of feel to it than the Cadillac did. Cadillac was extremely quiet. This, at least, when you start it, it has.
Yeah, it has some rumble.
It has a little rumble, you know.
Yeah, I mean, oh gosh, here's the wind coming now. I mean, that's gonna sound awesome. So yeah, we'll hop in here. We'll put all the clips from where we got it. I won't spend a bunch there. It'll sort of just be a highlight reel that you guys just saw, and then we'll go do a quick little drive in this thing, and I'll wrap this video up. So welcome to the channel. We're not sure what we're gonna name it or anything, or she's thinking on licensed custom plates and things like that, but dude, that perfect blue is really beautiful as well.